Hola everyone, and welcome back to Real Talk English en Español. Today's episode is all about real life Spanish.
Yes, not textbook Spanish.
Exactly. Today we're going to practice 5 very common situations where you need Spanish.
These are situations everyone experiences.
And you don't need perfect Spanish. You just need a few simple phrases. Let's start with something very common. Ordering coffee. In Spanish, you can say, Hola, un café por favor. That means, hello, a coffee please. Say it with me.
Hola, un café por favor.
Perfect. If you want milk, un café con leche. That means coffee with milk. If you want sugar, con azúcar. Without sugar, sin azúcar.
So I can combine them.
Yes.
Un café con leche, por favor.
Hola, ¿qué deseas?
Hola, un café con leche, por favor.
Claro. ¿Algo más?
No, gracias.
Perfect. That's a full conversation. Now, imagine you're in a city and you're lost. First, get attention politely. Disculpe. That means, excuse me. Say it.
Disculpe.
Then you ask, ¿Dónde está? That means, where is? For example, ¿Dónde está el baño? Bathroom. ¿Dónde está el metro?
¿Dónde está el metro?
Muy bien. People might say, aquí, here. Allí, there. Derecho, straight. A la derecha, to the right. A la izquierda, to the left.
Even if I don't understand everything, I can catch some words.
Exactly. You don't need 100%. Now let's talk about meeting someone at work. You can say, Hola, mucho gusto. That means, nice to meet you. Say it.
Mucho gusto.
You can say, Me llamo. My name is.
Me llamo Chris.
Perfect. A common question is, ¿A qué te dedicas? That means, what do you do?
¿A qué te dedicas?
Muy bien. You can answer with trabajo in, I work in, soy, I am.
Trabajo en marketing.
Now imagine you meet your neighbor. This is very casual Spanish. You can say, Hola, ¿todo bien? That means, hi, everything okay?
Hola, ¿todo bien?
You can answer, todo bien, all good. Bien, gracias, good, thanks. Then ask back, ¿Y tú? And you?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Neighbors often talk about weather, the building, the area. Hace calor hoy. It's hot today.
Very simple.
Simple is good. Now let's imagine your first day at a new job. You might say, Es mi primer día. That means it's my first day. Say it.
Es mi primer día.
You can also say, ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me?
¿Puedes ayudarme?
Remember these words. Por favor, please, gracias, thank you. Perdón, sorry / excuse me.
These make everything nicer.
Yes, polite Spanish is very powerful. Let's practice a full mini conversation. Hola, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Me llamo Chris.
¿Es tu primer día?
Sí, es mi primer día.
Perfect. You did great. If you listened to this whole episode, congratulations.
You just practiced Spanish for real life.
Remember, you don't need perfect Spanish.
You just need to start.
Thank you so much for listening to Real Talk English en Español. We really appreciate you being here and learning with us. Remember, learning a language takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. We have many more conversations and practical lessons coming your way. See you next time. And keep speaking with confidence.